I know y'all wanted an IGTV in which I'm answering all your questions, and here I am doing what y'all want, always without wasting too much time. And now that we're all very free, sitting at home, I hope everybody is sitting at home and being clean and washing your hands. And I know you've heard all of this a lot of times, so I would not want to repeat myself because it's just getting annoying at this moment. So hopefully we'll be out of this in 21 days. Let's hope. Let's stay strong together in this. And so yeah, let's begin with our IGTV. Answer all our questions on the IGTV. So here I am, and I'm going to be answering all your questions. So let's see. I haven't read the questions yet, I swear. Let's see what I have in here. So I put up the story yesterday, 17 hours ago actually, where I said IGTV on the most asked questions tomorrow, so ask whatever you all want to do. And so you all did. There are a lot of questions. I'm gonna be very honest here. So yeah. Rian underscore says I love you. Thank you. What's your height, princess? Asks Wasim007065. I'm 5'2". I'm pretty short, I'm not too long. But yeah, I'm 5'2". Hardik21_07 asks, when will you come in movies? Karan Johar is waiting for me. Hey. I don't know, yeah, I really don't know. Aman.30199 asks, what's your weirdest experience in your life? Weird का तो पता नहीं है मुझे. Weird experience in life. I don't know. I'm actually clueless. I don't know what weird, as in a lot of things in my daily life are weird for me. Like little things. अगर ये वहाँ से गिर गया तो weird हो जाता है मेरे लिए. Weird man. I'm only weird actually. Thank you so much, Aman. He says you are cute and amazing. Stay blessed. Keep smiling always. Thank you. Are you dating someone? Y'all don't know about it? Don't y'all know about it yet? Really? Okay. Why don't you try your luck in Bollywood? I mean, you're so cute and sassy, you should try. Says Harsh_Elani_. I don't know. I'm speechless. Next question. आपका favorite color क्या है? Black and lavender. I really love lavender. Like, I love lavender to some other level. I am sober as I saw you near Ghetto Pub. Most of you all must have if you all stay in town or you all are around. Adnan loves Ghetto. Adnan loves Ghetto for some reason, and we're always chilling there. If you want to come say a hi on like a Friday or a Saturday night, we're almost there every day. So obviously not now because the quarantine is going on, but otherwise we're always there. So if you guys want to come say a hi, then we're always there. Age. Vicky_Gurani asks, what's your age? My age is 19 and I'm going to be turning 20 on 14th June. You are so cute and haughty. Thank you so much, Krishna.0_4. Next question. Thani Trunk 1120 1122 I'm sorry, asks when will you marry? I mean, like at what age? I think I'll get engaged by 25-ish, 24, 25. I don't know. I mean, let's see. I don't know. I've not thought about it yet. Marriage. I think 26, 27. Maybe. I don't. Like, I really don't know my priorities when I reach 26 or 25. You know. So if they're the same that they are now, then yeah, definitely I'll get married by 24 or 24, 25, 26 max. Like, so. Next question. Aryan Gaikwad 01 asks, you speak Marathi, you try to make video with me. I do speak Marathi and I am a Maharashtrian. Sure, we can definitely make videos. Rajesh underscore Sikotaria, veg or non-veg? Non-veg. I love non-veg food. I love everything non-vegetarian. I don't know, you give me any kind of meat, I'll just be like, give it to me and I'll eat it, you know. Pars.75, what's your favorite traditional or western dress, and put best pic of them? I am answering them on IGTV. I cannot be posting the best picture, but I can obviously tell you I love wearing Indian. Obviously, like, my comfort is not sari, but dresses, patialas, salwar kameez, I love wearing all of those. I can for the rest of my life if somebody gives them to me. Your mobile wallpaper asks Pratikshit underscore Teji. That's my mobile wallpaper. And once you open it, Zomato has to change it. That is my mobile wallpaper. नहीं अदनान के साथ. Where is Dora? Dora is outside. I'm shooting. Your daily routine in lockdown. Me and Adnan talk till about 6 in the morning. 6 तो बज ही जाते हैं आजकल, पता नहीं कैसे 6 बज जाते हैं, बट बज जाते हैं somehow. 6 बजने के बाद हम सोते हैं, obviously. हम उठते हैं 3:30 तक. 3:30 तक हम उठते हैं, खाना वाना खाते हैं. We chill a little. By again 6:30. You know, we do whatever we enjoy with families and with spending time with families. And then I think again by 9 or 10 we start talking and then we sleep around 6. I think that's our routine. मुझे कुछ अगर शूट करना हुआ तो मैं दोपहर को कर लेती हूँ वो चीज़ शूट, बट आई डोंट थिंक अदर देन दैट और कोई रूटीन चल रहा है. आई थिंक सबका ही ये सीन हुआ है कि यू नो द स्लीप स्केड्यूल इज मेस्ड अप, द ईटिंग स्केड्यूल इज मेस्ड अप. पहले 2-3 दिन तो ऐसा होगा कि मुझे भूख ही नहीं लगती थी. आई वाज लाइक मैं कुछ काम ही नहीं कर रही तो मुझे भूख कैसे लगेगी. एंड माई मॉम इज लाइक फीडिंग मी 3 कोर्स मील्स, तो आई कुडंट ईट इट कुछ भी करके. बट अब थोड़ी सी आदत हो चुकी है उस चीज़ की. ऑब्वियसली 14 दिन हो चुके हैं, 14 से ज़्यादा, 14 से कम हुए हैं, बट आई थिंक कुछ लोगों को काफ़ी 14-15 दिन हो गए हैं ऑलरेडी क्वारंटाइन में, सेल्फ क्वारंटाइन जिन्होंने करा था. सो या दिस क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड बाय Harshu_09 by the way. Thanks for asking this question. Prithviraj_Patil.23, do you prefer Shein clothes? I do. Sometimes you have to send them back. Obviously, because sizes गड़बड़ आती हैं, कभी कभी पीसेस गड़बड़ आते हैं, कभी कभी बहुत छोटा आ जाता है साइज, कभी बहुत बड़ा आ जाता है. इतना ज़्यादा मैंने काम नहीं किया है शीन वालों के साथ अभी, बट या आफ्टर क्वारंटाइन वी हैव अ प्लान ऑफ डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क टुगेदर, सो लेट्स सी हाउ दैट वर्क्स. Karan_Karan_ Panchal, my crush is also Marathi. How should I tell her? She Marathi and I am Gujarati, but still I love her. I don't know, man. I think she's a Maharashtrian, and if she's a typical Maharashtrian, you should give her Puran Poli, try Puran Poli. I love Puran Puri. I think if I would be dating a Maharashtrian guy, then I think मैं उसके घर पे जाके उसकी mom के हाथ की सिर्फ Puran Puri खा रही होती. But since my mom makes amazing Puran Puris, मुझे ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Okay. But हाँ यार, try करो Puran Puri खिला के, शायद वो मान जाए. But yeah. Krish_Mistry, your boyfriend's name. My boyfriend's name is Adnan Motiwala. I think I've said this a zillion times now, and I'm done talking about him. Mr._Shetty_. Please talk in Marathi once. मला खूप लोक असं सांगतात की तू मराठीत बोल, पण हे नाही सांगत की मी काय बोलू. तर मला खरंच नाही माहिती की मी काय बोलू मराठीत. पण I hope तू बरा आहेस आणि मस्त मजेत आहेस. That's my message. Manjiri 8943 on your clothes collection. My clothes collection, I think, where do I? This is a very abrupt question. My clothes collection का क्या मतलब है? क्या बोलूँ मैं कहाँ से लेके आती हूँ या मैं क्या करती हूँ? Okay, so I'll just say whatever तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा है अभी on your clothes collection. I get stuff from Zara, Forever 21, H&M, Shein, a lot from actually Instagram brands and all of that. So I mean, but I think that's that. And हाँ बहुत सारे collaborations भी होते हैं तो कभी-कभी brands के आ जाते हैं तो. Anyways, Mohammed 12 Afaq. I don't know if I'm pronouncing half of your names correctly, but please let me know if I'm not. When and how did you fall in love with your partner? This is a whole other IGTV. I think I should talk about this in another IGTV जहाँ पे मैं उसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. But we met through a common friend, ये जिस सबको पता है अभी. I think we met through a common friend, and he flew down from LA, and the first day I saw him, I was like, no, not my guy, and then yeah, eventually I started developing, and then he also went, okay, this is whatever. When are you coming to Delhi and your YouTube channel? Asked Harpreet Singh _604. दिल्ली का तो मुझे पता नहीं, हालत थोड़े अच्छे नहीं चल रहे हैं कंट्री के. But and especially Delhi, you guys, please stay indoors. People in Delhi, if you are watching me, please stay indoors, man. YouTube channel, once I get my editor and my hunt for my editor is over, I will 100% do and join YouTube. The Canon Boy, can I get the exact location and review of the place you went to? मैंने ये सारी चीज़ें उस दिन स्टोरी पे डाली हुई थी. I hope you're talking about the camping site only, but I can mention the name here. It is Aloha Camps. The name is Aloha Camps. So you all can check them out on Instagram also. Brilliant place. 1,500 rupees is I think the only thing that they charge. They are in Kelwa, they are in Palghar, they're in Nasik, I think. नहीं नासिक नहीं था यार, कोई जगह थी एक, I don't know, you all can check them out, and they camp on like different places, and which is very cool. You all can go check them out. They're very cheap also, very affordable, so you can go check them out. मेरा तो खैर collaboration था उसके साथ. How to be confident? Ask Anvi_Khurana12. Please tell. I think you have to develop being confident with yourself. You cannot not be confident. You just have to be, I don't know, man. I don't know what is this. You just listen to yourself and listen to what your heart says. Do what your heart says. You have to be be nice to people and people will be eventually nice to you, but I don't think that defines what confident is. I think you just have to be confident with your own self. Yeah, like I don't know how to be confident. You just have to develop it. It comes with time. So yeah, उसको develop करो, उसको time दो, उसको give it. I don't know, man. I'm not like a motivational speaker. I don't think I'm a great motivational speaker in front of the camera. But वैसे तो मैं देती रहती हूँ अपने दोस्तों को. But yeah. You will be confident, yeah, come on. And I think if you're young, then relax, give it time, you will eventually be confident. And have faith in yourself. I think this is the most important thing I can say, how to be confident, have faith in yourself. Because I don't think if you trust yourself, and I don't think if you have faith in yourself, you will feel confident within yourself. And only then will people respect you, you know. So yeah. Okay, next question. Laren Kolako. Oh god. Best thing you cooked these days? I can't cook fishes. I cannot cook. मेरे को cooking नहीं आती है. Adnan can cook, and I mean a little bit, tiny bit, whatever he can cook, but I can't even cook that much. So I mean, he's the better one in cooking than me. I really can't cook fishes. Next question. Kush Patel 2819. Your best pic with Adnan bhai, please send. Okay, मैं आपको दिखा सकती हूँ वो picture. It's very close to my heart actually. I don't think even he knows this, but yeah, it's very close to my heart. I love that picture, and I think it's so cute. It has a lot of sentiments to it. Okay. He's gonna live 100 years. He only messaged. God, where is that picture? It's not a picture. It's a picture actually. It is a picture. I think this one. I don't know. मेरा green light की वजह से दिखेगा नहीं, but yeah, this picture. This picture is one of my favorite pictures, and this one as well. I love these two pictures, but I think this one's so cute. I love the two of them together. I cannot, man. I can't wait to see him. Anyways, Agholi underscore says, will you and Adnan marry? If he asks me out, I mean, hopefully we will. Yeah, let's hope. DKB051 says, what are your further plans? Further plans for studying, further plans for marriage, further plans in life? I don't know, I'll just in general answer further plans. अभी तो after quarantine पता चलेंगे क्या है further plans काम में and studying में, and let's see यार, let's see. Only after this whole quarantine situation is over will we be able to figure out what's the scene. So yeah. 0512 underscore Kirti asks, what do you do with your old clothes which you don't use or you donate? I don't donate, but the ones that are very nice and अच्छे हालत में and I don't wear, that obviously I give them to my maid's kids, because she is of her kid is of the same age, so as me. So I think, and she's of the same physique like me, so, and she really likes my clothes, so yeah, so whichever she likes, she takes them. I think that's that, I think. Yeah, I wouldn't call it donation, but yeah, I give my clothes away to her, whenever, whichever she likes. She has that right. So yeah. You know Telugu? No, I don't know Telugu. Shabbir. I don't know Telugu. I know Tamil a little bit. So yeah. I think that's all the questions. Okay, we have one more question. I would like to see your phone cover. I think phone cover is this. Adan has the same one. I gave it to him on a 4 months. Anyways, we're finishing 5 months on this third. I'm super excited for that. Anyways, we're done with the Q&A. Guys, stay tuned for more such amazing videos. Tell me if you do like them. I know it was a long video, but yep, stay tuned. There are so many more coming in. There are 2-3 more review videos coming in actually, from a lot of brands that I've collaborated with, makeup brands, beauty brands, and all of them. So stay tuned, and I will get back to you very soon. Until then, bye bye, and stay home and stay safe.